Hello everyone, welcome to your English practice video. Today you will learn talking about your day, ordering at a coffee shop, asking for directions, making small talk, ordering at a restaurant. Listen, repeat, and practice speaking. Let's begin. Part 1. Talking about your day conversation. Hello. B. Hi. A. How are you today? B. I am good. How are you? A. I am good too. A. What time do you wake up? B. I wake up at 7 in the morning. A. Oh, nice. I wake up at 6:30. B. What do you do in the morning? A. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. B. What do you eat for breakfast? A. I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I drink coffee. B. I eat cereal and drink milk. A. That sounds good. A. Do you work or go to school? B. I go to school. A. What time do you go to school? B. I go to school at 8:30. A. I go to work at 9:01. B. What do you do at work? A. I work in an office. I use a computer. B. That's interesting. A. What do you do after school? B. I go home, do homework, and relax. A. I go home, eat dinner, and watch TV. B. What time do you go to bed? A. I go to bed at 10:30. B. I go to bed at 11 plus. A. That's a nice day. B. Yes, it is. Practice repeat. I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I go to school. Part 2, at a coffee shop conversation. Hello? B. Hi, welcome. A. Can I get a coffee, please? B. Sure. What size? Small, medium, or large? A. Medium, please. B. Hot or iced? A. Hot, please. B. Would you like anything else? A. Yes, I would like a sandwich. B. What kind of sandwich? A. Chicken sandwich, please. B. Okay. Anything to drink besides coffee? A. No, that's all. B. Your total is $8.50. A. Here you go. B. Thank you. A. Thank you. B. Please wait here. A. Okay. After a moment. B. Your coffee and sandwich are ready. A. Thank you very much. B. You're welcome. Have a nice day. A. You too. Practice repeat. Can I get a coffee? What size? Anything else? That's all. Part 3. Asking for directions conversation. A. Excuse me. B. Yes? A. Where is the bathroom? B. Go straight and turn left. A. Thank you. B. You're welcome. Longer conversation. A. Excuse me. Can you help me? B. Yes, of course. A. Where is the nearest bus stop? B. Go straight for 2 blocks. A. Okay. B. Then turn right. A. Turn right. B. The bus stop is next to the bank. A. Next to the bank? B. Yes. A. Thank you very much. B. You're welcome. Practice. Repeat. Go straight, turn left, turn right. It's next to the bank. Part 4. Making small talk conversation. A. Hi. B. Hello. A. How are you? B. I am good. How are you? A. I am fine. A. Nice weather today. B. Yes, it is very nice. A. What do you do? B. I am a student. A. Oh, nice. B. What do you do? A. I work in a store. B. That's great. A. Do you like your job? B. Yes, I do. A. That's good to hear. B. What do you do in your free time? A. I like to watch TV and listen to music. B. I like music too. A. What kind of music do you like? B. I like pop music. A. Me too. B. That's nice. A. It was nice talking to you. B. Nice talking to you too. A. Have a great day. B. You too. Practice repeat. How are you? Nice weather today. What do you do? Nice talking to you. Part 5. At a restaurant focus. Ordering food and drinks. Conversation 1. Ordering at a restaurant. Server. Hello, welcome to City Restaurant. Customer. Hi. Server. How are you today? Customer. I'm good, thank you. Server. Table for 1 or 2? Customer. Table for 2, please. Server. Right this way. Customer. Thank you. Server and customer sit down. Server. Here are your menus. Customer. Thank you very much. Server. Would you like something to drink first? Customer. Yes, please. Can I get a glass of water? Server. Of course. Customer. And can I also get a lemonade? Server. Sure. Customer. Thank you. Server. Are you ready to order food? Customer. I need a few more minutes, please. Server. No problem. A few minutes later. Server. Are you ready now? Customer. Yes, I am. Server. What would you like? Customer. I would like a cheeseburger and fries. Server. Okay. And what would you like? Customer 2. I would like chicken salad, please. Server. Great choice. Customer 2. Thank you. Server. Would you like soup or salad with your meal? Customer. Salad, please. Server. Okay, anything else? Customer. No, that's all. Server. Your food will be ready soon. Customer. Thank you very much. Outro. Great job. You practiced daily routines, ordering food, asking for directions, small talk. Like and subscribe, and remember, practice every day to improve your English. See you in the next lesson.